In today's lesson, I will explain the present continuous. The present continuous is used to talk about something that is unfinished or incomplete and that is happening now. I'm going to the supermarket. I am typing the report. The present continuous is made of two parts, the present tense of the verb to be plus the present participle of the main verb. This is how we make the present continuous. Affirmative, subject plus to be plus base plus ing. Max is talking on the phone. Negative, subject plus to be plus not plus base plus ing. Max is not or isn't talking on the phone. Interrogative, to be plus subject plus base plus ing. Is Max talking on the phone? Let's look at some more examples. We use the present continuous to talk about something that is happening now. She is studying. Is he still working at the same restaurant?
Oh no!
Are they still dating? To talk about something that is always happening, something that is repetitive. They are always arguing about the music. She is usually practicing the guitar. To describe or talk about something that has already been planned. It's already decided. We're going to the movies. Are they coming to the party? Let's practice. What are you doing now? What is Mary doing? What is Max doing? What are Stanley and Jill doing?